In this video, we're going to look at slides of a testicle. So you can see here, this is a testicle so that you can see it's composed of tubules. It's not just a solid mass of tissue. And then over here is what's sometimes called the tail or the epididymis. So let's look more closely at the seminiferous tubules. We've now magnified the slide even more, so we're looking at 100x magnification on the left and then 400x magnification on the right. And what we can still see is the fibrous capsule, which would be the tunica albuginea in this case, and we can see several of these cross sections of the seminiferous tubules. And you can see I've circled a few of them in pink for you. We can also see that there's sperm inside these seminiferous tubules. That's in here. And then all of this is sperm, which makes sense because the job of the seminiferous tubule is really to be the sperm factory. There are cells out here in the periphery of each tubule called Sertoli cells or sustentacular cells. These serve as the germ cells that continually undergo mitotic division so that you have more of them and you have a constant supply of them. Then they'll undergo meiotic division or meiosis to make sperm that in humans would have 23 chromosomes, 22 autosomes, and then an X or a Y. One last thing we'll look at are Leydig cells that are in here. I'm circling those in green. Those cells are also called interstitial cells, and their job is to produce testosterone, which would influence the Sertoli cells in making that sperm, as well as the maturation of the sperm that takes place in the epididymis. It's probably better to call them Leydig cells because there are many different kinds of interstitial cells.